Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by treating the weapon as loaded and verifying it is clear. This is non-negotiable. Once done, make sure the workspace is secure, well-lit, and organized so you can inspect components without rushing. You should also have the manufacturer's manual or a reputable reference at hand so you understand what the rear sight assembly is and how it interfaces with the receiver. If you are unsure at any point, consult a certified gunsmith rather than attempting procedures beyond basic inspection. You now perform a careful visual and tactile inspection without applying leverage or tools that alter parts. Once done, photograph the sight and surrounding receiver from multiple angles so you have a record of factory orientation and any markings. This helps any later professional work. Make careful notes about corrosion, rounded edges, or aftermarket alterations that could complicate removal. If components appear seized, welded, or heavily corroded, make sure to stop and arrange professional servicing rather than attempting aggressive manipulation yourself. To finish, you compile your photos, notes, and any part numbers, and then decide whether to proceed with professional help. Once done, store the firearm and any removed accessories in a secured location while you arrange service. Make sure to communicate the exact symptoms and what you observed. That saves time and prevents needless intervention. If something is seized or excessive force would be required, avoid continuing. Contact a qualified gunsmith. That single troubleshooting move prevents damage and preserves safety.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.